In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to record bills in Zoho Books with our full 2025 guide. Zoho Books is a great online accounting software, particularly useful for small business owners and accounting professionals looking to manage finances effectively. So let's dive right in and streamline the way you handle bills. We'll start by opening Zoho Books and navigating straight to your dashboard. Think of the dashboard as your financial command center, offering a comprehensive view of your financial health. Right from here, we can easily access the Purchases section, which is your go-to area for managing everything you buy for your business. Once you're on the dashboard, locate and click on Purchases to move forward. The next step is to click on Bills. This area within Zoho Books is neatly organized and allows you to see all the bills you've recorded or need to manage. It's an excellent tool for tracking and managing payments, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's walk through the process of recording a new bill. To add a new bill, you'll want to click on the Create a Bill button. Doing so will open up a form where you will input all the necessary details for the bill you're processing. We begin by selecting Vendor Name to identify the vendor. This is the provider who issued the bill to you. If the vendor isn't already in your list, you'll need to add them first. Then enter the bill number in the bill field. This number should match the one on your vendor's bill to facilitate easy record keeping and reconciliation. Next, if there's an associated order, you'll click on Order Number. This feature helps to link transactions, which is beneficial for tracking specific orders tied to the bill. Following this, set the bill date and due date. The bill date is the date it was issued, while the due date indicates when the payment is due. Properly setting these dates will aid in effective financial planning. You'll also encounter a field for subject. Although it's optional, a brief description here can provide clarity and be quite useful for future reference. After this, continue to the item table where you'll specify what you're paying for, be it goods, services, or other items as listed on the bill. Finally, after ensuring all the information is accurate, click on Save as Open. This action registers the bill in your account, marking it as pending payment. Using Zoho Books in this straightforward manner keeps your finances organized and ensures that you're always on top of your business expenses. And there you have it. Your bill is now recorded and you're all set. Happy accounting!